Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be trying something that I saw, funnily enough, on Instagram. It was on the Chemical Guys Instagram page, and it was showing us how to get rid of scuff marks on the door panel. So as you can see here, I've got a door panel. It's got quite a lot of scuff marks on there. Just wanted to see if their solution works. So the first thing they did was got this invisible super cleaner. It is a no-nonsense cleaner. I've used this before. I will admit I'm not a big Chemical Guys fan, but this is a fantastic product. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to have a couple of sprays into the microfiber and pop it on the door panel and see what happens. It says let between 10 seconds and 60 seconds for it to eat up into the door panel. I've sped up the wait time. I'm not sure you can see the shadows, but they are moving quite quickly. And we're back to normal speed. And then we're going to just buff out the residue to see what comes of it. So now we get into a closer look, and we can see that it has cleaned up the panel quite a bit. Not as much as I would have liked, but quite a bit. So I got this product. It was $26.99 from Super Cheap Auto. Comes in a 473ml bottle. So value for money is there or thereabouts. It's right in the ballpark. So I'm not unhappy about that. So hitting it again with the invisible cleaner, because just wanted to see if we can get anything better than what we got. So again, just sped up the wait time, and we are now buffing that out. So let's have a look here. Okay, that looks a lot better. A lot less scuffs. I'm not too worried about those 3 or 4 big ones. They look like they're scratches, so there's not really much I can do about that. I just wanted the surrounding areas to be nice and clean. Unfortunately, with scuffs, if it does scratch the vinyl, there's not really too much you can do about it. The second thing that the Chemical Guys went over on their Instagram reel was this product here, the VRP, Vinyl Rubber Plastic Protectant. Never used this before. This one's a bit more expensive. It's $39.99, so $40. Same amount, so the 473 mils. Now this is more a protectant rather than a cleaner. However, as I said, I just wanted to replicate their video to see if this works. So this is what it looks like, what it looked like before, I should say. So yeah, we can see a lot of scuffs there. Those big ones, you can see the scratches. They're scratched in, so there's not too much you can do about that. And this is after. So all the scuffs look like they're gone except for the big scratches. So really, really good solution. Again, not a big Chemical Guys fan, but this was a really, really good solution. Bit expensive, so maybe don't get the VRP if you don't need it, and just get the invisible cleaner is my recommendation. But the VRP does make it look quite good. So thanks for watching. If you please like, comment, and subscribe.